Hello guys, welcome to another stylish Naija DIY video. Today I'll be teaching you how to cut a zigzag funnel hand. First, you fold your fabrics. Fold it into two because we'll be cutting one hand first, then we'll place it on the other to cut the second one. Hold it neat. Yeah, good. Get your tape. First, I'll be making an illustration on the round part of the sleeve. I'm going to be working with 14. Let's try 14 because normal sleeves are usually 9. That's the ones that don't have pleats. But this one, it's going to have pleats on the upper part of it. So let's work with 14. So by the time you gather the up part, you'll still be left with 9 to sew on the dress. Mark. Yeah, make your curve. Okay, nice. Then join. Highlight it. Most times what I usually do, highlight the fabric first to give me the shape of what I want first, and before I now start fixing in my measurements. So now you measure your sleeve. I already have the shape of the sleeve. You have 14. So that's the upper part of the arm. This is the down, middle part. Put your measurement, depends on what the person's round sleeve is. This is the upper part of the hand. Depends on the measurement, the person's sleeve. So this one, we're going to be using 7. That is 14. That is round 14. Then now the length. We're going to be working with 20. Use 19.5, 20, 21. It depends on what you want. Then this is the round again. So make sure it's accurate. Then now you can now join the proper lines. Then you cut out. See, the shape is obvious. You cut it out. There you go. This is our sleeve. This is one sleeve. You can place this on the fabric again to get the second part of the hand, but I'm not going to do that yet. Let me cut the down part to show you how to cut the zigzag funnel part. You fold your fabric, fold it into 4. I'm trimming it to make it straight. Yeah, fold. Get my tape. Measure the length of the sleeve. This one I'm going to be reducing it. This is 20. So this is the zigzag part. I'll start the smaller part of the fabric. To get the up part, measure your round sleeve, so that will determine the hole to make underneath on this part. So since the round is 10, I'm going to be using 2, like 2, 2.5. It depends. If you make it excess, you can always pleat it when fixing it on the hand. You can pleat it. So I will use 2. For if you are not pleating, 2.5 for if you pleat. Depends on what you want, how full you want your plate to be. You cut it out. Then for the shorter part of the zigzag, you can use 3 inch, you can use 4 inch, you can use 2. Depends on what you want. I'm going to be using 3. Then for the longer part, I'm going to be using 6. You can use 7, you can use 8. It depends on what you want. I'll be using, then you mark 3. As you are working your way, you'll be increasing it. 4. Then you work it all the way down to the 6 that you did on the other side. Then you connect your lines to it. As you can see, you work it, then get your scissors, you cut. It's really simple and it is a very beautiful hand. You can see, you see, place it in. Simple. Let me pin it to show you. How it will look like. Then for the down part, like I was telling you, you can pleat it on it. As you can see, the round we make is big, it's bigger. So you pleat, you just hold it. As you can see, hold, yes, you hold it like that. So I'm going to be using the pin as like you are sewing it. You hold again. So just work it around like that. And so that's it. It's really simple and beautiful. You can see. That's it. Done in less than 15 minutes. You can see, guys, this is it. So for more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment and like our videos, and tell us what you want to see, and we'll sure reply to your comments. Try it and tell me what you think about it. Okay guys, this is it. This is the finished dress. Bye, see you next time.